Doing Deepak sir. Today I'm discussing about introduction of Node.js. Its use is why it's so popular, when and why developers use Node.js. About Node.js. Node.js is a server-side platform built on Google's Chrome JavaScript V8 engine, which is developed by Rowan Dole in 2009. Many features of Node.js is like event-driven non-blocking input-output model that makes it lightweight and efficient. Because JavaScript is a very lightweight and efficient language, which is because due to its code execution time, runtime, it's very fast. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment for developing server-side and operating application. Node.js service run on various types of operating systems like Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac. And why Node.js is so popular? Because many developers use front-end for JavaScript and back-end for just like a Python, Ruby, Java, PHP, and many other frameworks. But after development of Node.js, developer use JavaScript for front end and back end because it's less it's less execution time and less code running time and server time is very fast. It's lighting very fast because it's JavaScript to execute it. It uses JavaScript. You always know JavaScript is a very efficient language to execute the code because it's lightweight and its execution time and running time is very fast. If we, any user if any user send request to database to accessing my name is Preet to send request to database. After the operation completed, it triggered a callback or a synchronous callback function calls and by which a method and a message is received by user. And after the message is received by user, it's so my name is Preet accessed by database. Accessed by database. Where do you Node.js? Many applications like Netflix, Facebook, WhatsApp, and many other applications use Node.js due to data streaming applications. Input and output bound applications, Dart, JSON API based applications, single page applications like a Gmail and other smart applications. We use Node.js. Firstly, how to install Node.js on Chrome. We go Node.js. This is the official site nodejs.org. On tapping on this, this is a two version for beginner which we download. If we because we recommended for most user officials because this is the latest version, but it's not stable. Many bugs and many other glitches are present. Due to this, we recommended for most users and beginners download this. After downloading this, which ID means integrated development environment. We use VS Code. This is also available for Windows, Mac, and many other operating systems like Ubuntu and much more. After that, we use statement. If we check console, this is check console. This is server side scripting. If we enter where is variable a equal to the string string function is like a string method and string value. This is with entered by user. It is stored in variable a. If we hit enter, this show and find after which if we access that string value, we and only enter a equal to this is show wait. After that, if we run any JavaScript or Node.js program, we always use console.log. We hit enter, this show. But in on server side, we don't use about console. Now go to our VS Code extension. Now if we check if Node.js is properly installed, we go to a node, enter the incoming node minus version, then hit enter. Not show anything. But if we node show v, then it show version is 16.13.0, which is currently stable version by Nodejs official site. After that, we go to our VS Code extension. This is a let me create another file, def.js. .js for VS Code, .js for JavaScript extension. After which, use same method where a equal to, if we hit enter, now we run this program, we enter node, this program name .js, and then hit tab. Oops, what is it? What is it? Let me again open a terminal. Some glitches. Node def.js. It's show error. Why it's showing error? It's okay. Leave. We go to run from here. Start debugging. Node.js. Run debug. It's show nothing because it doesn't have a console value. If we enter console dot log dot, if we enter variable a, we save, then again run and debug. It should value. This is the enough for Node.js introduction. Why it's so popular and developer always use Node.js and except Python, JavaScript, Python, Java, Spring Boot, and much more languages. So enough for me. Now tomorrow I'm discussing about Node.js server and much more. Thank you, sir.